In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable Notion template. If you've built a useful page in Notion and want other people to copy it into their own workspace, turning it into a shareable template is a simple process. The key is making sure the page looks polished, is easy to understand, and is set up correctly, so others can duplicate it with just one click. Start by preparing your page before you share anything publicly. Take a moment to clean up your workspace. Remove any personal or sensitive information and make sure the page only includes content that's safe and helpful for others to see. This is also a great time to add clear instructions, labels, or example content so people immediately understand how the template is meant to be used. A clean, well-organized template makes a much better impression and helps users get started faster. Once your page is ready, go to the top right corner of your Notion window and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for the page and is where you'll control how others can access it. After that, navigate to the Publish tab. This is the section that lets you make your page publicly accessible on the web. If you don't see it right away, just look through the sharing options until you find the publishing settings. From there, click Publish to Web. This makes your Notion page available through a public link. Publishing is what allows people outside your workspace to view the page, which is an essential part of sharing a template. Next, make sure the Allow Duplicate as Template option is turned on. This step is very important because it adds the duplicate button to the public version of your page. Without this enabled, people may be able to view your page, but they won't be able to easily copy it into their own Notion workspace. If your goal is to share a reusable template, this setting needs to be active. Finally, click Copy Web Link or copy the page URL so you can start sharing it. You can send that link anywhere you want, such as in a message, on social media, in a newsletter, or on a website. When someone opens the link, they'll be able to view your page and if duplication is enabled, make their own copy. And that's it. Once your page is published and duplication is turned on, your Notion template is ready to share with the world.